Today we will learn addition and subtraction up to 10. So let's start. If you have 8 slices of pizza and 5 slices are eaten, how many slices would you have left? We will take away 5 slices. So we will have only 3 slices. If you have 3 rubber ducks and are given another 4, how many rubber ducks would you have? If we have 3 ducks and we will add another 4, so we will have 7 rubber ducks. If you have 6 flowers and give 2 of them away, how many would you have left? We have 6 flowers and we will take away 2, so we will have only 4 flowers. If you invite 10 people to a party and 3 of them say they can't come, how many people will be at the party? If we have 10 and 3 of them will not come, so we will take away 3 people. So we will have only 7 people in the party. If you find 2 wooden beads under the sofa and then find another 3 in a box, how many beads would you have? If we have 2 beads and then we found another 3 in a box, so we will have 5 beads. If you count 7 ladybirds in your garden and 6 fly away, how many ladybirds would be left? If we have 7 and we will take away 6, so we will have only 1 ladybird. If you have 4 coins and you find another 4 in your pocket, how many coins would you have? We have already 4 coins and we will add another 4, so we will have 8 coins. If you have 9 gobstoppers and eat 7 of them, how many would you have left? We have 9 and we will take away 7, so we will have only 2 gobstoppers. If you bake 5 cookies and then bake another 5, how many cookies would you have baked? We have 5 and we will add another 5, so we will have 10 cookies. If you have 10 marbles and win another 8, how many marbles would you have? We have 2 and we will add 8 marbles, so we will have 10 marbles. If you count 9 rabbits in a field and 7 of them hop away, how many rabbits will be left? We have 9 and we will take away 7, so we will have only 2 rabbits. If you count 6 leaves on a path and another 4 leaves fall to the ground, how many leaves will there be? We have 6 and we will add another 4, so we will have 10 leaves. And this is the end of our video. Thank you.